We have a 2006 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle is making a horrible noise right there. Might be the transmission or axle. I don't know, one of those two things. I'm gonna turn it on. Just running like that, it's not making any noise. Now I'm gonna change gears here. I'm gonna put it in reverse. Horrible noise right there. Really bad. Now it has emergency brake. Also the rear tires are blocked because the vehicle can move very easily even if it's in park. That tells me that either the transmission is bad or either the axle. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what's going on with this vehicle, if it's the transmission or if it's the axle. I'm gonna get the camera out of the door here. That's how horrible the noise is. And it seems like the axle is damaged. I hope it's not the transmission. Alright, let's do it one more time. Alright, got to pull out the axle right there, as you can see it. And here is the piece already. I took out the other piece. See the scratches right there? Scratches all around. Some scratches like a binding, like it was binding inside. I don't know if it was because it broke here inside maybe, and that caused the axle inside to wobble too much or something, or to move to the sides, and maybe that's why it was binding here. There is a piece of bearing here, see? But the thing is that the scratches I see here, also I can see them inside the transmission. They are not deep at all, just scratches that are visible, but I don't think it's gonna make a difference in the transmission once I install the axle right there. Only before getting this axle inside, just make sure you see this ring here, and also that it moves freely. Also take a look at the axle seal. In this case, the axle seal is in perfect condition. It was not leaking at all, it was all dry, so we're gonna reuse it. New CV axle right there. We're gonna turn on the vehicle and see what happens. Put it in reverse. No noise. Put it in drive. No noise. Now the emergency brake is engaged. Also the rear tires are blocked, and the ones in the front are lifted up, so nothing happens around the air. And no noise at all. The problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching this video, and God bless you all.